At the beginning of the Blender in Blender course, I told you that there are prizes to be won if you finish the course and send me the video. So this is what you have to do. Simply send me the link on Instagram, on the Discord, or on the email address that you can find in my description. I will review all videos personally and assign a winner. So here are the prizes. The number 3 takes the ultimate Gobopack home, which contains 365 gobos to increase realism and improve the production quality of your renders. The number 2 takes Lighting Ultimate Pro, which contains the only procedural lighting solution in Blender called GeoLights Pro, and of course the ultimate Gobopack. The number 1 gets Lighting Ultimate Pro and this cool looking Razer keyboard that will be sent straight to your home. And last but not least, everybody who participates in this course gets a royal discount on all my products. So if you've already followed this course, simply send me an email or bring it to the Instagram or Discord group and I will revise it. However, I do need to have your email address so I can contact you later, so always add in your email address. So that's it, actually a very short video. I hope everything is clear. I will make sure to look at all videos and the deadline for this is going to be on the 10th of October in 2024. This gives you almost 40 days to complete this video. Of course, the Blender is for free on Gumroad, so you can use that one and simply do the animations and the other parts of this course. Feel free to experiment with certain shots. They don't have to look exactly like mine. You can make your own environments, you can make your own cool looking animations that somewhat stick to the baseline of the course, and I will accept them. So good luck, fellow enders. I hope you do quite well and you can watch the course right here.